Hello friends, welcome to Edupedia, World of Education. Today we will learn about singular and plural form of nouns. To keep learning with easy tricks and basic rules, stay tuned to Edupedia. Like, share with your friends and subscribe now. We can convert singular noun to plural by adding s, by adding es, by adding ies, and by adding ves. We also have irregular plurals. Rule 1. By adding s. We add s to convert singular to plural. Say for example, friend, friends, horse, horses, book, books, chair, chairs, crayon, crayons, apple, apples, flower, flowers, tiger, tigers. Rule 2. By adding es. We add es to form plural of nouns that end with s, ss, sh, ch, o, and x. Example: glass, glasses, box, boxes, brush, brushes, church, churches, tomato, tomatoes, fox, foxes, coach, coaches, dish, dishes. Rule 3. By adding ies. We add ies to form plural of nouns ending in a consonant y. Means a consonant plus y. Remember to remove y and add ies. For example, lady, ladies, baby, babies, puppy, puppies, story, stories, city, cities, factory, factories, candy, candies, dairy, dairies. Friends, did you notice consonant and y at the end? At that time, we replace y with ies. If there is a vowel before y, we apply rule 4. That is, noun that end in a vowel and y, we do not remove y and just add s to make it plural. As per rule 3, we learned wherever it is y, we use ies, but there should be a consonant before y. Example: day, days, key, keys, boy, boys, donkey, donkeys, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys, way, ways, lay, lays. Friends, did you notice there was a vowel before y? So we did not replace y with ies. We just add s at the end of the word. That's it. Rule 5. By adding ves. We add ves to form plural of nouns ending in f or fe. Remember to remove f or fe and add ves. Example: leaf, leaves, knife, knives, calf, calves, loaf, loaves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves, self, selves, half, halves. Friends, did you notice we just replaced f and fe with ves? Rule 6. Irregular plurals. Some nouns don't follow any particular rule to change into plural. They use new and special word to form their plural form. Example: foot, feet, mouse, mice, child, children, person, people, man, men, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, woman, women. Rule 7. Irregular plurals. Some nouns remains unchanged, means whether they are singular or plural, the words remain same. Example: deer, fish, sheep. Rule 8. Irregular plurals. Some nouns always remain in plural form. We use it for both singular as well as plural. For example, scissors, news, etc. Understand all the rules and practice well. Be ready for Check Your Progress. Friends, please explore other educational videos by Edupedia, World of Education, from iLink appearing on the right side corner. Thanks. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.